Hey guys, it's Charity from A Loop and a Hook, and today I wanted to show you how to clarify bacon grease. So this right here is my pre-clarify. Let's see if it'll focus. There it is. As you can see, it's really nice. It's like the pure off-white color. There's no specks of anything in it. Super easy to do. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve this with your bacon grease, and it takes like less than 5 minutes. So really super simple and easy. So first thing you're going to want to do is warm up whatever bacon grease you have. As you can see, I already warmed this one up so that it is liquid. There is a solid part in the middle, but that is okay for this. I just need the outsides to also be, you know, liquid and fluid. So I'm going to open that up and grab a spatula. So you really just want to be able to scrape all the bacon grease from the pan. So perfect. And then what we're going to do is going to just take the bacon grease and dump it in here. It has all those bits and everything, so you can just scrape everything into the canning jar. If you don't have a canning jar, and any other type of container would work, as long as you can put a lid on it. Doesn't really matter. Just having a lid on it is very important for this. So bacon grease is now in there. You can see there's chunks in here. So I'm going to be right back. So what I did, which I gotta be really careful because it's really full, filled this up with the rest of the way with water. Now I know that sounds really crazy, but oil and water separates. So what you're supposed to do is, you know, kind of swirl it, shake it up. You can see how all those bits are floating to the bottom. Now if you left your jar like this, all the bits would stay at the bottom. What we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over, wait for everything to rise to the top. There we go. Let's see if I can focus on it. So you see how all the water is going to the bottom of the jar? That's all the bacon bits are all the other, you know, solids are also going to the bottom. And so you just you have to let this sit and it'll continue to separate. I normally let it sit on the counter for like 5 to 10 minutes until everything's nice and separated. All the air bubbles and everything, the water will continue down, all the fat will continue up, and your debris will also fall down. So I will show you this in a couple of minutes. So I did have to heat up the bacon grease a little bit more because it was not doing what it was supposed to do. So I'd say before you dump your bacon grease in, just heat it up a little bit more so it's really liquidy in like this, you know, light, almost clear color before you flip it upside down. But other than that, it's separated really nicely, and you can see there's like no debris or anything in there. So that super cool. I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator, let it get solid, and then I will show you what to do next. So it's been a couple of hours since I put the bacon grease into the refrigerator to firm up, and this is what it looks like now. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There it is. So you can see there's a really nice line of separation right there of everything. So I'm going to pour it out, and I'm going to show you everything that fell to the bottom of the jar. So I'm going to open this up and dump everything into this bowl. I love these ball lids, the reusable ones. They work great, especially for this. Then you don't have to worry about the lids accidentally, you know, falling apart or leaking or anything like that. But okay. So you can kind of see all the different bits that came out. There still is some, but I'm gonna go rinse it with cold water. Don't use hot water, else you'll melt the top layer, but rinse it with cold water and that stuff should come off. So I'll show you after I rinse it. So I rinsed everything off and you kind of can see how clear it is. If you look on the sides, you can see there's a layer of separation of the fat, but it is but there's like there's one little chunk there, but there's like nothing else in there. Super easy to get purified bacon grease, not hard at all. Like you can see, you know, I'm not going to do this too much, but you can see like all the stuff in there. That was all in the bacon, or in the grease, that, you know, could have gone bad and spoiled the entire jar. So now I don't have to worry about my jar spoiling. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, super simple and easy to clarify your bacon grease, just to make it last just a little bit longer. You don't have to worry about it going rancid or anything like that from having, you know, bits of bacon or whatever in that bacon grease. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you found this helpful, you think other people would be able to benefit from this video, be sure to share it, and we'll see you for our next video. Bye.